I wanted to show everyone my Goodwill haul, and my first item is this DoorDash catering bag that retails for like 40 each, and I got it for $7.99. And the next item is this silicone tray looking thing, and it's through Wilton, I think it is. Let's see if it shows. Like Wilton, and I got it for $3.99. This I don't think they charged me for, but it looks like it's too curvy. And then the next item is this Dyson vacuum, and I remember this one from like back in 2010. And then the next item is this Kenmore, and this is the same type of vacuum where I sold the brush row for 15 each within 2 days, and they actually go for a lot more. I did see a org, but honestly, I rather just let those sit because the parts move so slow compared to other brands. And I was actually glad to find these so cheap because one time I went to Goodwill, and I think it was either Wessel or Hoover. They wanted $49.99. But I just sell like parts, so that's the only thing I'm going in there for. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. I sell like parts, and a lot of this is trash finds because when I did my Amazon and DoorDash routes, I found a lot of vacuums and steam cleaners. I'll just show you some of the items. And here's one Kenmore part right here. As you can see, it is mostly parts.